Hello everyone, my name is Ali Jafari, work for Excella as a consultant, and today I want to demo you one of a many application of stream processing with Apache Kafka. We can use stream processing for software engineering. Example would be legacy system modernization, or another example would be event sourcing. We can use it for streaming ETL. We need data in real time across all organization. We use streaming ETL. We can use it as a recommendation engine or customer experience enhancement. Another cool example, auto industry, for autopilot functionality, they are using stream processing. And last but not least, um, fraud detection. And this is what I am about to demo you. So before we start, let's talk about data flow and processing. We have we have an online shop here, and users create transactions. And as a backend, we use Postgres. Database is RDS instance on AWS. I am using DBZM Kafka connector. DBZM is an open source tools, fantastic open source tools, um, which listen to change data capture or transaction logs um, on top of the database and push the transaction logs to the Kafka. Then on the Redbox, I am using KSQL Server. KSQL is Kafka SQL language, which we can use it for creating stream processing application, and we can use it for processing the data. As a fraud detection, I have a very simple rule here, which is if a credit card used more than 3 times in a window of 5 seconds, then raise a flag for me, which means create an event and push it to another Kafka topic. The name, for example, is possible fraud. Now in the green box, I have a Kafka consumer, which is a simple Java microservice. Listen to our fraud topic and do a little bit of processing, cleaning, and at the end I have Grafana. Grafana is another open source visualization tools, which show us a great visualization of the data. Now, let's start. Okay, on here, as you see, I have on top, I have two window. This is Grafana, by the way. I have two window is possible fraud and possible fraud data. Same data, but with two different representation. At the bottom, I have transactions. I develop a simulator which simulate transaction for us. And if I run it, you will see it will start inserting data to our table, which is simple transaction table. And here in few probably second, you will see flow of data. Still running, still going, and in about a few seconds. This is our transactions that are coming to our system. So now that I simulated customer or buying stuff, let's just simulate a fraud. So I have another shell script which insert fraud for me. So if I run this, you will see it's Pablo Escobar with credit cards all one, for example, purchased something in San Diego, California, and he used his credit card 4 times um, in less than 5 seconds. So in a few moments here, we will see something here, and this is our fraud, possible fraud transaction. As simple as that. So this is not putting any stress on database. I am not querying database with this platform. All it does, it is listen to transaction logs with Debian and push it to Kafka. And from Kafka, I am processing the data with the simple rules that I just said, less than 5 seconds, more than three transactions. And then with the Kafka consumer, I just listen to fraud possible um, data and show it here, as simple as that. So everything is open source, and what you see here with a very minimal programming code. So I'm using open source tools with very minimal programming code. Thank you. And on next video, I will show you a little bit of technology stack. Thank you and have a nice day.